Hello, this is Bobby at Coppell TV Repair, and this is a Functionality Pro video for main board for Vizio 55LX6500 or 5500, I don't remember, that was sent to us for HDMI ports not working. Hopefully this is a unique signature of the customer on the board. This board has been worked on, and as per our agreement and notice to the user, we will not be giving warranty for it after showing it functioning like that. Another note for the customer, we're going to be adding this pad on the back behind the processor that you can see in the middle. This is not something that comes with the board naturally, but we do recommend putting it there because the problem in the first place where those boards go bad is the heat from the main central processor and the panel to a degree, but mostly from the processor, starts warping the board, and that warping is the source of the problem in the first place. Once it starts, and the more thermal processing the board goes through, the easier it becomes to start warping like that. It is warping either backwards or forward. This board has a tendency to go backward. Now if it is pushed, it's just gonna flip and starts bending forward, so it's very important that whatever support it gets on the back does not actively push it forward. This is why we put that flex rubberish support that can be seen in many other TVs that are released more recently. But that is it. The board is working now, and we will be sending it with that support. Do not remove it. Do not make it to be extra pushing forward, because that's not going to improve anything. It's just going to make, again, the board flip and start pushing forward, which will be just as bad. The best thing to do is something that supports, not very strongly on the back, and that should do just the trick. Thank you.